Hi, my name is Chow. I'm the maker behind Enchanted Pathways. I've had a free request on how to make these little hats here out of empty toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. So here's one that I've already been cutting off of. So what you do is you'll fold it in half, okay, and then I cut mine freehand, so I will cut the paper like this, okay, and then you'll push it back into a circle form. So I have two, and I will use the thinner one of the two. And then what I'll do is cut approximately 36 strands at 10 inches long. Okay, so let's begin. So I fold it in half. Okay, fold the yarn in half. Take your loop through the little paper there and put them in straight into the loop above. Okay, let's just stand that hat up there. And then you'll just continue that. All the way around. Okay. Continue that all the way around and I'll meet you back. Okay, so once you've got all your strands of your yarn wrapped around the brim of the cut paper towel roll or toilet paper roll, this is what it will look like. So I cut an extra piece of yarn the same length, and you just kind of eyeball, or you can actually take a tissue and shove it up inside like I did with this one here, depending on how you want the depth of your hat to look. So I just kind of straighten it out, flip it over, straighten out the yarn here. And so I will lay this yarn strand there. And like I said, depending on how high you want the hat is where you can tie it off. So I'll look at it before I completely tie it off to see if that's how I want the hat to look. Okay. And I think it looks pretty decent, so I will tie it. And I'll do a double, I guess I call it a surgeon knot, but okay. So then I'll leave the tissue inside the hat, okay? And then you can cut it, the palm, as short or as long as you like. So, whoop, there's one long piece there. And then I'll just keep trimming. Okay, and then you just fluff it up. And if you still want to trim it to how you like it, then you'll just move those out of the way. So this is what it will look like. Okay, so here's all the little hats. I hope that helped.